like, if you will direct your attention to the sky above the playing field, you will be treated to a display of amateur fireworks courtesy of Veldar Conehead, father of Paramus High's own Connie Conehead.
Careful there, Conehead. Pretty cheap, Conehead.
Cigar?